Employee feedback is one of the greatest opportunities to both assess and improve the quality of the working environment. The design needs to include employees so they know they have the opportunity to succeed as they develop the skills necessary in the workplace and the ability to increase performance. During the pandemic, we realized the importance of designing work environments so that introverts and extroverts can grow, and as a result, create ambiverts who are ready to advance at work. Using well-designed working environments and technology tools, leaders are making this dream a reality. This sales course will explore the differences between introverted and extroverted individuals and how they can thrive in environments that cater to their unique strengths and preferences. The topics of this course include understanding the traits and characteristics of introverts and extroverts, creating a work environment that accommodates the strengths of both, techniques for introverts to effectively communicate and build relationships, strategies for extroverts to harness their energy and maintain their focus in the work environment, building a team that leverages the strengths of both introverts and extroverts. The course will help participants understand their own tendencies and how they can sell and excel in environments. By the end of the course, participants will have a better understanding of how to work effectively with people of different personality types and how to create a supportive work environment that promotes success for all.